Hi there, my name is Marshall. I'm a theater student and I'm from Chelsea, Massachusetts. Right now we are in our modern theater where we put up our theater productions and other performances for our community. Let me show you around. The theater first opened in 1914, and it was repainted with this beautiful mural by the famous Broadway scenic designer John Lee Beatty. Here we do 15 different student-produced shows, and the great thing about it is that you don't have to be a theater major to be a part of them. One of the favorite performances I was a part of was Everybody. It was an extremely challenging piece that talked about life and death, and I got to slide down a ramp. One of the great things about this program is that you don't learn just the performance aspect of theater, but also the production side. I'm actually producing my own show that I've written and directed called Flicker next semester. Thanks for joining me on Tour of the Modern Theater. Come and see one of our 15 productions. Now quiet, the show's about to start.